in the air, straight to square leg. So against the run of play, 2 boundaries, and now wicket.
Take the challenge to you.
It's bowled in. Finally, you could see the pressure was building. The frustration was showing. And New Zealand have broken through again.
The seed now comes in and, well, he's thumped that, really. Swats it away like a mozzie, and that's gone for 4.
Yeah, forehand down the line.
Oh, gone. It's got him into trouble, all right. Tried to get Mitchell away, and Mitchell.
Edged and taken. Perfect start from Milne. We've seen that dismissal already this series. And it's a good sharp catch by Tim Southee as well. Oh, up and over. Where's that gone? Is that going to land safe? No, it's not. What a catch. Devon Conway coming in, diving full stretch. Lockie Ferguson picks up another.
That's a nice shot. That is all timing. Down to the long on boundary for a much needed 4. 74 runs, 4s and 6s, and only one of those was a 6. So 74 of this 100.
I need to get you to change your decision to out on screen now.
Well, it's a breakthrough. They decided to review it. Latham looked as if he didn't really know.
Well, this time he follows him. Goes up and will be out. Tim Southee takes the catch. Mitchell's punt. He wins the battle. As a wee word says, see you on your way.
It's gone up high, coming for it is Southee. Southee takes the catch. Santner has the wicket. Chahal must go, and an 8th wicket falls. And you're into that space. Oh, that's got to be. That has got to be. It is. Daryl Mitchell has 3. Sundar on strike. Wowee. That is 50 up in the most magnificent fashion from Washington Sundar. Edge got to be gone. Tom Latham wastes no time. He's going to review it, but we could hear the sound from Rickerton.
Flicked away for 4. Just missed his line. That's the difference between the left and right hander. First boundary for Finn Allen. And Ashdeep Singh will be disappointed with that delivery. Edged up and over the top of the slips. He got some width and he went hard. And that's not a bad way to play here at Hagley Oval. End of 6 overs, New Zealand 23 without loss. Oh, what a shot that is. What a shot that is. It's gone for 6. That is serious power. Just leant back. Oh, it's in the air. It's out. Good catch. Excellent catch. Malik's done the job. He's got rid of Finn Allen. And Surya Kumar Yadav has taken an excellent catch at cover. And it brings to an end. Seven from the over. 104 for 1.